In space missions, every detail is meticulously planned and safety measures are top-notch, but failure can still occur. This rocket was supposed to deliver cargo to the ISS, but exploded just seconds after liftoff.
Look, they're the kids on the controls.
He definitely won't want to go to work with Dad anymore.
Oh, that does not sound good.
Ze koken niet. Dank u wel. Oh. Is dat? Ga je het snel allemaal? Oeh. This is the person. Hey.
It'll be quite hard to explain this to the insurance company. Looks like this lumberjack also freelances as a demolition expert. Listen to how pleased he is with his work. The next video clip might make drivers feel uneasy. When you see this capsized ship, you might wonder, what does this have to do with cars? The thing is, the ship was transporting more than 4,000 cars, and now they're all underwater. The total damage is worth more than $200 million. They think the crew's wrong calculations caused it to sink. To deal with the aftermath of the accident, they had to cut the ship into pieces. Can you imagine how long it took to get this colossus out of the water? Things haven't gone well for this airship since its second flight. It grazed a pole, leading to a crash landing. Luckily, no one was hurt, but it seems no one's eager to fly on it anymore.
Well, boys, I enter a little too hard, but I really hope I
If someone pulls out a camera while the crane is operating, they probably suspect something might go wrong.
Sekeliling plafon di Masjid Tanja akan rubuh. Pak, mundur, Pak.
You've never seen gender reveal parties get so out of hand.
Bruh.
He tears down that fence so effortlessly that it makes you doubt the effectiveness of barriers. People in India are very friendly and helpful. But sometimes it's best to help yourself. The guys might not be in the best mood, but they've got such an interesting story to share. The person who owns this car needs to see Final Destination and start doing something about it. Imagine how soundly he was sleeping. I wonder if he'd wake up if the water swept away his blanket. If you were wondering how they set up wind turbines in the middle of the ocean, this video won't give you the answer. They didn't manage to get it installed.